today I'm back in my priceless kitchen cooking up a few favorite recipes. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. Adding the bonnet because our hair doesn't belong in food. If you're new here, welcome. And let me tell you, I love cooking for my family and friends and sharing my recipes with you. Of course, if you're returning an oldie but goodie, you already know how I throw down in my priceless kitchen. Now I'm adding water to my pot, about 4 quarts of water. Add salt if you so desired. Next up, to my roaring pot, I'm adding my pasta. Stir occasionally and boil uncovered for 10 to 12 minutes. While my pasta is boiling, I am cleaning my countertop and laying out all of my ingredients for these 2 recipes. Remember, being organized in the kitchen saves time. Quick and easy breakfast option. Well, Walmart got me again. I'm just perusing the aisles and I find this this silicone egg bite maker for under $5. It is naturally BPA free, resists odors and stains, easy to clean, and I love this green color. I love planning my meals and using the same ingredients in multiple dishes. So in my breakfast dish, my lunch or side dish recipe, both of them include peppers. So enjoy the music for a moment while I dice away. For easy pouring, I'm using a measuring cup, 3 eggs, well beaten, spinach, and peppers. And follow directions when it tells you to only fill the cups halfway. Ask me how I know. Quick and easy meal or side dish recipe number 2. I'm cutting up the remaining ingredients, tomatoes, cucumbers, and some hard salami.
And he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand.
The hardest part of this recipe is boiling the noodles. And boiling noodles is not that hard. There's so many options to this recipe, and I will include the full directions below. Of course, in my pasta salad, I'm only including the ingredients that my family absolutely love. So yes, make this recipe your own. Your family doesn't love olives? Well, don't put it in it. Love cucumbers like we do? Add more cucumbers. Make it truly a recipe or a dish that your family will love. And the fun part for me is dumping, mixing, and stirring. Look at all of those vibrant colors. We love adding the shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese versus the cube. But again, add what you like.
I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you.
Now you can make your own Italian dressing or use the store-bought dressing like I am. It is said that a good pasta salad has two main components, the richness and the crunchiness. The richness comes from your choices of meats and cheeses. And the crunchiness, well, that comes from all of those vegetables that you diced.
There is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you.
This pasta salad is a great option for same-day serving or making a day ahead of time. Just remember that as the pasta sits, it absorbs the dressing. So adding a little more dressing right before serving helps.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching.
So there you have it, 2 more easy, quick, and delicious cooking recipes for your summer routine. Now, if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a kind comment below so I can welcome you to the family, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. Love good cooking? Well, make sure to check out my playlist right here. Home decor, cleaning enthusiasts? Well, check out this playlist right here. I appreciate you spending some time with me on today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Well, time for me to finish my salad.
Closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on, and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you.